Well, what's this? A blessed event? Does it smell bad? Better dump it, quick. Get up, boy. And so Adolf was born. He had a very brief childhood.
When I come to Germany, the Prussians was good to me. I joined with the Junkers in pumping off Stunkers who wanted democracy. Then I two-stepped across the Rhine, marched right through the Maginot Line. I hired as henchmen some fifth-column Frenchmen and made the in Europe all mine.
Hey, Adolf, where's your goose?
I think maybe my goose was cooked in Moscow. Everyone knows who's me, the big shot of Italy. They call me the Dutch, Hitler's personal pooch, 'cause I can bark louder than he. In battle I can't be beat. I never admit defeat. I sound the attack, then I just turn my back, and I make a one big retreat. I'm only a border in Hitler's new order.
Well, what now, poison puss?
The son of the sun am I. When born I was dropped from the sky. When I opened my yap, every 5 years young Japanese spouse to my family tie. Excuse please the bombing we've done in the name of the rising sun. When we bomb you on Sunday, we're sorry. On Monday, we only bomb people for fun.
So the three lugs got together and promoted a mob known as the Axis. They collected a lot of hardware and announced they were moving in. They were pretty smooth actors and they played the old game. When the neighbors weren't looking, they blitzkrieged them, kept them separated and bumped them off one by one. And they rolled right on. Moved in on Manchuria, Ethiopia, Austria, Albania, Czechoslovakia, Poland. They took over all of Europe. And they put the finger on India, Africa, yeah, and the United States too. The whole world, even Brooklyn. The Fuhrer screamed, "Nobody will stop us! Nobody!" That's what he thinks. My guess is China, Great Britain, the Soviet Union, the United States, the United Nations will bury the Axis.
nicht auf Sasa, übersetzen rechts in den Blein um am Meier! Ich mich in Sasa in Oberkleiner! Böse Blase Gesasa, Haupt in Westen mit den Rappler! Böse Rauselmeier von den Meier! Aldrei die Israel schreit, das Bluse rein, der klippert Franse Schnurr, der Rebelle Sasa, bedient auf meine Feier!
You got it. It's for you.
No, it's for him.
It's for him. Give it to him. You take it. You take it.